Hi, I just got this new FiAir blower. We've been using this fireplace for years. My wife struggles sometimes getting fires started, so I thought I'd show you how we'll build a fire using this. I've already stacked wood with a little paper. I have one piece of paper to start the flue draft. And that's just to flash off and get the draft moving. We'll start the paper below also. We'll let that flare up for a minute. And the idea is the blower adds the needed air we need to accelerate the starting of the fire. This is the FiAir. It's light. I bought it for my wife. This is the first time I've used it, and it works very well. That's a good start after just a minute or so. That normally would take 5-10 minutes to get going. That's impressive. That was paper and full-size logs, no kindling. Just newspaper and the FiAir.